Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this Day of the Dead Sugar Skull Halloween makeup look. For this, I made it look like the girl wearing the makeup was actually dead, as well as wearing a skull makeup look on top of that. To start off this look, I used a white eyeliner pencil to sketch out where I wanted things to go, and wouldn't you know, my camera stopped recording. So I filled everything in with the Mehron Aqua paint in the color white. And as you can see, there are some open spaces. We're going to be filling those in with a pink face paint. In two of the sections, I'm going to be drawing in some teeth with the same eyeliner pencil. For the teeth, we're going to fill them in with the Mehron White face paint. To separate the teeth and to give them some dimension, I'm using a gray eyeshadow. Then using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, I'm going to be using the dark red shade. And we're going to use this to add some dimension to the holes in our skin. Putting the darkest color around the rim and then kind of blending towards the teeth. Next, we'll be using a black eyeshadow to deepen the corners. Use the black eyeshadow around the rims of the eyes. Then using the same red shade, I'm going to be putting that on the eyelids and blending outwards towards the outer corners. Next, with the black face paint, I'm going to create a skeleton style nose. For my lashes, I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes later on. When the face paint is done, we're going to be adding bedazzlement with different shaped rhinestones. And I first start putting this around the outside of the eyes. And here I'm using spirit gum to adhere the rhinestones. Once I have around the eyes finished, I start doing a decorative design in the middle of the forehead. Next, I use the Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood Liquid Lipstick. And then I added a few lines around the lips to make it look a little bit more like a Day of the Dead skeleton. And that completes this Day of the Dead Sugar Skull Halloween makeup look. Let me know what you guys thought of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.